What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Peter Distance here, and let's go run 10 miles in the middle of a blizzard.
New Balance, sponsor me.
Mile 1 was a calm little 8:55. Miles 2 and 3 were 8:55 and 9:10. The snow's starting to come down pretty heavy. We'll see if we make it through without getting frostbite. Mile 4 was a 9:30. Miles 5 and 6 were both 9:40s. I think I'm rolled. Miles 7 was a 9:20, made it to a much needed water fountain. Miles 8 and 9 were a 9:15. The blizzard is starting to clear up. I think we won't get frostbite today. Mile 10 was a 9 flat. That's all for today, folks. Remember to smash that like button and subscribe.